How to fix Google account storage full problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find full storage option, so click on Manage Storage. Then at the bottom, click on Clean Up Space. After you click on Clean Up Space, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Review Large Drive Files. Here, you will find all your large files. Simply click on Showing option at the top. Make sure there's tick mark and then click on the Bin option at the top right and delete everything. After you've done that, open Google Drive and click on three lines at the top left. In here, click on Settings. In Settings, you will find Backup and Reset. Click on it. Then scroll down and make sure Backup is turned off. If it's turned on, you can simply turn it off by clicking on Turn Off button. Then go back to Gmail and then at the top in the search bar, simply type in as shown on the screen, as column attachment larger column 20 MB. And if you have any attachment larger than 20 MB, you can select and delete it. Also search older underscore then column 1 year. If you find any, you can simply delete as they all are older than 1 year files. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Google account storage full problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.